What think about them babies? What think about the babies? Y'all, these little babies was hatched out of their eggs the 15th of last month. I lost Cricket the 7th and they was hatched out the 15th. And they're Moon and Sammy's babies. They're part silky and they're part veiny. They're so cute, but they're weird looking. I can't wait to see what they're like when they grow up. I've never seen a cross chicken before, y'all. But these are them. These are my babies. Ain't they monkey? They're our babies. Willow's got a hair. She's got one of my hairs wrapped around her feet like always.